I've been building an entire content pipeline using nothing but AI, and after testing dozens of tools, I finally landed on 8 that work together perfectly. This isn't just a list of random AI tools, this is the exact workflow I use to go from idea to a fully published post, and today I'm breaking down every single tool in that chain. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tool handles every stage of content creation: research, writing, video, voice, visuals, subtitles, editing, and publishing, and why each one earns its spot in the workflow. Let's start at the very beginning, because before you create anything, you need to know what to create. That's where Perplexity comes in. It's an AI research tool that pulls real-time information from across the web and gives you clean, sourced answers instead of a list of links you have to dig through yourself. For content creators, this is huge, because trend research and topic validation used to take hours. Now you get accurate, current answers in seconds, which means you're building your content around what's actually relevant right now instead of guessing. Once you know what you're making, the next step is turning that idea into an actual script. This is where Claude comes in. Claude is one of the strongest AI writing models out there, and what makes it stand out for content creation specifically is how naturally it writes. It doesn't sound robotic, it holds a consistent tone across long-form content, and it can take a rough idea and structure it into something that actually sounds like a person talking. For anyone creating scripted content at scale, this is the difference between generic AI writing and a script that actually sounds like you. Now that the script is ready, it's time to bring it to life visually. That's HeyGen. HeyGen lets you create realistic AI avatars that can deliver your script on camera without you ever picking up a camera. You can build a digital version of yourself or use one of their built-in avatars, and it handles the lip sync, the expressions, and the delivery in a way that looks genuinely produced. For creators who don't want to film every single day or want to scale content across multiple videos at once, this is the tool that makes that possible. Voice is next, and this is where ElevenLabs takes over. ElevenLabs is the industry standard for AI voice generation right now. The voices sound natural, the emotion comes through properly, and you can even clone your own voice so every piece of content still sounds like you. Whether you're pairing it with an avatar or using it as a standalone voiceover, this is what makes AI-generated audio actually believable instead of flat and robotic. For the visual side of things, ChatGPT's image generation is what I rely on. It's fast, it understands detailed prompts really well, and it's great for generating thumbnails, background visuals, or supporting graphics that fit whatever story you're telling. Since a lot of social content needs quick on-brand visuals without a full design process, this is the tool that fills that gap without slowing down the workflow. Once you've got your video piece together, subtitles are non-negotiable for social media, and that's where Veed AI comes in. Most people scroll with the sound off, so if your captions aren't accurate and well-timed, you're losing viewers in the first few seconds. Veed automatically generates clean, accurately synced subtitles, and it styles them in a way that actually looks good on screen instead of just functional. Now everything gets assembled, and that happens inside CapCut. CapCut is where all these individual pieces, your script, your avatar footage, your voice, your visuals, and your subtitles, come together into one finished video. It's fast, it's built for short-form content, and it gives you full control over pacing, transitions, and sound design, which matters a lot when you're trying to keep retention high on social platforms. And finally, once the video is done, you need to actually get it out there. And that's where PostAll comes in. PostAll lets you publish to every major platform from one place instead of manually uploading to each app separately. But it does a lot more than just publishing. You can schedule your posts in advance, generate captions automatically, and even create supporting images for your posts, all inside the same tool. For anyone managing multiple platforms at once, this is what turns a one-time upload into an actual content system. So that's the full stack: Perplexity for research, Claude for the script, HeyGen for the video, ElevenLabs for the voice, ChatGPT for visuals, Veed AI for subtitles, CapCut for editing, and PostAll to schedule, caption, and publish everywhere. Each one of these tools solves a specific bottleneck in the content process, and when you stack them together like this, you end up with a workflow that takes you from a blank idea to a fully published multi-platform post without ever picking up a camera or sitting down to manually write captions. If you're serious about creating content consistently without burning out, this is the exact stack to build around. I'll leave links to all of these tools down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.